and welcome to Adrenal Repair. My name's Stephen and today I'm excited to share with you my new product, AdrenalBoost. Now, if you're dealing with adrenal fatigue, adrenal dysfunction, burnout, it's got many names, but if you're feeling run down and you don't have that energy that you used to once have, let's say you wake up in the morning and you're feeling sluggish and you don't have that motivation, this is going to be a great product for you. Now, you cannot replace a poor diet with supplements. Okay, so you got to make sure that you're eating right and you're eating clean, whole foods, and a good supplement will help speed up the healing process. Now, I brought this product out because I wanted to keep the product simple. I'm not a fan of taking a bunch of supplements, so it's a very simple product. It's got all the stuff that you need. So it's got like the magnesium for the calming effects. It's got 5-HTP that will boost your mood. So it works as a natural anti-anxiety, antidepressant. But if you're already taking, I need to say this, if you're already taking SSRIs, anti-anxieties, you do not want to mix this with it because 5-HTP is trying to do the same thing. 5-HTP is a precursor for the neurotransmitter serotonin, okay, that happy neurotransmitter. So this will naturally boost your mood, but you don't want to be taking it with any SSRIs. And it also comes in powdered form, and I purposely wanted it in powdered form because a lot of adrenal supports out there that I came across were capsules, and people just take capsules on top of poor diets, and I wanted to move away from that and promote healthy eating. So if you have a favorite smoothie or a favorite juice, you can add this to it. I actually like to take it with a calming tea before I go to bed. So the magnesium in it with the B vitamins, it's very calming on the nervous system, sets you up for sleep. And then if you got a nice sleepy tea, it's just a great way to get a great night's sleep. So if this is something you would like to purchase and support the channel, you can get it at adrenalboost.ca. I'll leave the links below, and there will be recipes coming up on this channel, so stay tuned and please do subscribe. Thank you and talk to you soon.